What's up, guys? Matt Tolber. So behind me is a camper van I rented. It's not my regular camper van. I'm trying something a little bit different. This is the Voyager Camper Van's vehicle. Rent the van life. And it is a Ram ProMaster City. So not a super big vehicle. It's actually smaller than my Dodge Grand Caravan that I normally use. But here she be. Obviously, I brought a couple things with. I brought my Keurig, so I'm going to be having coffee with that. You can see my Folgers. I love Folgers. Little K-cups here. Then I brought 2.5 gallons of water. They do include this big water jug. You can see they got a power setup here. They do have a little solar panel up there. We're at 99.2%, so we should be good. I want to guess that's like an 80 or 100 watt solar panel up there. And then we got this fan that you can vent in or vent out. It comes with 2 pillows, and then you can shut these shades here. I'll show you. But yeah, we got lights up there, lights up there. There's some like dimming lights right here. Let's see. Oh, that's for these. You can see you can dim these as you want. That's pretty cool. And then you got this little bar right here. You can kind of dim those. Nothing special, you know. It's not bad. I think this thing's got like 90,000 miles on it, so it's been used quite a bit. But you know, space to store some stuff up there and whatever. Here's a look where we're at here. See, there's still some snow hanging around in those shaded spots. This is where I saw my first black bear. Right here, he went right across here, and it was just about this dark too. That was in my red van at that time. So let's see if we can see another black bear. Let's go down this trail. I'm gonna try to be quiet and see if we can see some wildlife. Oh my God, here's a thunder. Oh, sucky. We're getting some lightning and sprinkles, so that means we got some heavy rain coming. I don't want to walk too far from the vehicle. Uh-oh, what do we got on us? Is that a tick? Oh, it is a tick. There's definitely a swamp like right over here because there's tons of noise of those frogs. Ooh, I might start heading back here because if it starts downpouring, that will not be fun. Time to get back to that van. The rain is starting to come down here. I forgot a hoodie, coat. I got nothing. So tomorrow and the next day are supposed to be a lot colder too. So I'm not sure how that's going to work. Probably put that blue chair away because I don't think I'm going to be sitting in that tomorrow. It's supposed to rain all day. So I opened it up with this, and it looks like I don't think any rain's going to get in here unless it downpours. But you can see you can switch it for in and out. Right now I have it blowing in, turn it off, and then you can turn up the fan speed. It actually really turns up high. So hopefully that doesn't drain the battery. I'm going to turn it down a little bit here. But hopefully that'll keep us nice and cool tonight. Only thing that's kind of weird is you got to open the back to be able to get to this fridge here. Not a big deal, but we're gonna have a little sandwich here quick. Probably some chips or something like that. Shut the door. Got some those wood ducks. I got the front shade pretty much strapped on. Fortunately, this Velcro is pretty wore out, so it's not really like holding on there anymore. Sure, this van's been used a lot of times, and then the little piece right here is like coming off, but that covers most of it. So I'm just kind of hanging out right now. Got this little accent light thing on right now, and I may actually dim these other lights here. Ooh, spooky. This is kind of cool. Probably relight my candle. I went back outside for a second, so I wanted to shut it. just relaxing. This is nice, guys. I kind of need a relaxing night here. After moving the pillows, it does look like they got a little spot where you can plug in some 110 volts and a couple USB A's in here. So let's probably turn the inverter on. But we're not going to use that. We got plenty of power right here. So here's the bed setup. Sorry I didn't get to show it. Look at how much space. There's like no space for my tripod. And I did not bring my GoPro or anything to really mount, unfortunately. But there's the bed setup. So you can definitely sleep 2 people in here. I'm gonna get these shades shut here. Guys, it's so comfy back here. I don't even want to get up. I got the van running to get some heat in here. But I'm so comfy. I can't lie. I don't want to get up. It's raining out there lightly. Should be having a lot more rain coming today. But got to get up and have some coffee here. Woo! You can only use 1% on that Pecron E3000, which is pretty crazy because this thing pulls over 1400 watts. But the windows are pretty foggy right now, so I just opened this vent back up and I turned it to suck out air, so hopefully it'll pull that moisture out of here. There we go. I don't know if I showed you guys, but there's a little storage area up above the driver and passenger seat too. Time to have this Folgers Classic Roast K-Cups. See if it's too hot. It's about perfect. Woo! So let me show you my new power station, guys. This is probably the best power station you could get as far as price, for how many watts you get, and the size. This thing has 3,108 watt hours, 2,000 watt inverter in it, and it's like a 4,000 watt surge, so this can handle 99% of things you're going to be running while you're camping out there. Most power stations that have this much power are probably like, you know, quite a bit bigger. In fact, it has 6 of these AC outlets. They're all covered for, you know, if you get it in rain or whatever, and they all have that third prong there. This is where you charge it, obviously, and then you got your 2 solar spots, 600 watts per each one, so it'll do a total of like 1,200 watts of solar, which is actually quite a bit. And it's got your wireless charger on top. You got your DC button and AC button. What I like is it turns off so fast. Like, a lot of them are super like picky, but it's like super responsive. Here's your DC outlets. You got your 2 barrel plugs. You got your 12-volt cigarette lighter, which you got to have one of those bad boys. And then they got what do we got on here? It has 6 USB plugs. One's 100 watt, which is the fast charge USB-C. Then they got a regular USB-C, and then they got 4 USB-A's, and one of them looks like a fast charge USB-A. Ready to go out there and see if we can see some wildlife. Maybe we'll see some bears. Maybe we'll see some coyotes. I'll try to be quiet. So we're at 94.7% battery life left in the built-in battery. Be heading outside for a little bit here. I might need to get go get a coat from the store or something because it is cold out there. Well, food was good. Now let's see if we can find a place to get a little raincoat so we can do some adventures in the woods. This might work. Fits pretty good. Grab a hoodie. Gotta get a hoodie too. It's supposed to snow tomorrow, so it's perfect.
See you again soon.
You can see the van. It's got little trees on there. Well, I got my raincoat on. The only thing that kind of sucks is the hood is huge, so like goes over my head. Like, yeah. Yeah, buddy. Nice and cold. Just out in the middle of a empty Target parking lot here. About to have a Celsius, and then probably head back to the woods. It's crazy how they cut all this down. Obviously, they continue to plant new ones and stuff. Used to be all trees last summer. Our spot is still open, so I'm probably gonna park there, and then we'll go for a walk here. Well, we're back parked. You can see the Velcro on the back of that definitely needs to be replaced because it doesn't continue to stick, but not a big deal. Once you get parked, it stays up. I'm gonna put my hoodie on underneath this raincoat because it's pretty chilly. Plus the hood on it is so long that maybe this will help kind of keep it back. So I don't have to worry about being chilly out there. I'm trying to be really quiet and see if we can kind of sneak up on some animals. So far all I'm seeing is birds. Saw some turkeys, I think, and pheasants. Owl up there. Bye bye, owl. What do we got there? Some birdies. Well, we just got a winter weather advisory on my email. Sounds like 2 to 4 inches, but like the wind's supposed to be like 45 miles per hour. So that should get interesting tonight. We are back to our Voyager camper van. Never used this toilet before. I got it set up here. Plenty of space for it, thankfully. Obviously, I'll shut these curtains if I decide to take care of business tonight. You just put the bag in here, super simple. And then obviously you take care of business and you tie it off. And then I wouldn't recommend peeing in there. You probably could, obviously, but you know, I just pee in something like that at night, usually. During the day, being a guy, you know, just go outside. But at nighttime, it's nice to not have to step out. But yeah, that's the toilet here that I brought. Never used it, so I think it should go good. We'll find out. The bags that are kind of designed for it, they just come in a roll like that. And it looks like there's 20 bags per roll. All right, y'all. I know I already had a burger at that bar and grill, but I'm going to have another one because I love burgers. It's already got one in there. Good. I'm trying to get this in there. It's like it doesn't want to. Maybe I'm doing something wrong here. Oh, okay. I've never used one that locked like that. So I was wondering why it wasn't going in there. So now it should work. Cool. It's starting to get windy here, and I can tell rain or snow or whatever is coming soon. I'm not sure if they washed their dishes. This looks a little iffy. Does that look washed? That's why you always bring your own stuff. That does not look very washed. I don't know. You'd think the company would wash all their stuff and make sure, hopefully the sheets are washed. I don't know. It was folded up, so either the people were nice when they folded it up or they got washed, I would hope. So, should be good. Lord, do not let me get sick from this. Thank you, Lord, in Jesus' name. Getting cold, guys. Snow is coming. It was just 85, I think, yesterday. Everyone out here in Minnesota started putting their shovels away. Naughty, naughty. It can be 85 for a week here in Minnesota and then snow out of nowhere, like just in one day. Minnesota is definitely a different state. I mean, I guess I've never lived in another state, so I can't really say that, but it's definitely different. Oh, it's starting to rain. Gotta get this food done. I want to get my bed set up here. Dude, the bed, no joking, this thing's actually pretty comfy. Obviously, you got to clear all that out, and then it folds down. But see if we can set it up and show you guys. If you guys want to get one of these camper vans, it's VoyagerCamperVans.com. I'll have a link in the description. But I did not get this free. They did give me a discount price on it because obviously I'm filming. Barbecue sauce and cheese. Got a little bit of chips. Actually, it's quite a bit. I'm not even sure what kind of chips these are, but some kind of kettle something. It's a pretty small sink. We're gonna do what we can here. This is the soap they provided, so this stuff kind of stinks. I don't know. Bring your own soap. I don't know. It smells kind of weird. Well, it's definitely cleaner than what I got it. I probably shouldn't have cooked on that. Who knows what? At least I had baby wipes. Otherwise, I probably wouldn't have done it. I don't even know if baby wipes have even soap in them. I'm not sure if it's just like a water or what. Well, I didn't have to use my toilet yet, so put it up there. Hopefully you don't need it tonight, otherwise this might get kind of awkward. But you basically pull this out like that, and then take this thing. I guess it has some Velcro. I don't know how well the Velcro... Oh yeah, it works a little bit. Put it right there. Create a flat little space. I got that low enough so it won't hit, and I got everything moved up here. These pillows are pretty thin, so I feel like my neck is almost completely flat. So I had to use 2 of them, then I was pretty comfortable. Well, y'all, it is dark out now, and I've been cooking burgers, so I think we're gonna hop in the van here before the predators get close. Should have brought my thermal out, would have been sweet, but oh well. So we don't got much room here to really hop in. I'm just gonna have to slide my shoes under there. But I love this bed setup. That's the best part about this. When these shades are shut like this, I gotta shut the front ones. Just feels comfy and cozy, and then you got like a little spot to kind of set your stuff. You could charge your phone and stuff off that, but I have my little cord to my power station under there. So there we go. Let's lock this bad boy. Now we're locked. Key back here. Now let's shut these shades. All right, well, we are safe in the van. Oh, that needs to be fixed there. And then that strap right there. But for the most part, nothing can see in. The back closes pretty good. Once I dim these lights here, let's see which one. There we go. That's more relaxing. I gotta remember to blow that candle out here. I don't think I'm gonna be turning that fan on tonight because it's supposed to be way colder. So I should be trying to just survive with this little thin blanket they provide. So, I mean, it's not super thin. It should keep me warm. I got my hoodie just in case. I think I'm going to actually put this out right now before I forget. Trying the front camera. It's in like cinematic mode. So I think it does like a blur behind me. But this is actually not too bad. It's kind of comfy. My head's a little high, but as long as I slouch a little bit, not a bad little setup, just chilling. You can set up some kind of like iPad or something right there on that little ledge. Sorry guys, I do not have cool angles in this, and I don't know how this video is going to turn out, but we should have 45-mile-per-hour winds and snow coming, I think, after 10 p.m. Now, with all these trees here, I don't know if it's going to actually be very windy or not. See if the van will be rocking while I'm sleeping with just me in here. So I don't know. We'll find out here, but hopefully these tires can make it through some snow because they were barely making it through the mud. So we're going to find out here. You guys can see what I'm saying. If you had some kind of like little iPad there or some kind of mini little TV, this keeps flapping open. So the bears are trying to look at me, but we should be okay. By the way, they do have these other lights too. You just got to like flip them. So there's quite a bit of lights in this thing. Well, I fell asleep, guys. It's currently 1 a.m. and it's like sleeting. Let's look up the window. Look at that. It's gonna be straight up snow pretty soon. Sorry the light keeps dimming. It has some auto sensor on it. It sounds windy out there for sure. You hear it in the trees. I know I should probably go out there and get some epic footage for you guys, but I'm not going to lie, I'm tired. And like I said, I didn't come very planned for this trip. So hopefully we'll see some cool stuff either in the morning or in a couple more hours. I'll get some better footage, but I'm going back to bed for right now. Wow. I gotta get up. Look at this. I don't want to. Oh, so comfy. Looks a little different than yesterday. Doesn't even look like the same place. Winter Wonderland. Minnesota does not give up on snow, I swear. It was just 85 for like 5 days in a row. Now we got snow. All right, y'all. Well, I'm packed up here. It's been a great trip. The next thing is to see if I can get out of here. Got a little bit of snow here, and these tires, they got like no tread. Having an amazing adventure, the Voyager team. Thanks, guys. I did have an amazing adventure. See if we can get out of here. That'll make it better. Otherwise, it's not good because I don't have much food. All right, y'all. We're in drive. Lord Jesus, help us get out of here. So far, so good. Yes. Oh, God. Go, baby, go. Oh, it's sketchy. I'm not going to lie. It feels like it's dragging a little bit here. So I'm going to try to keep some speed, but I also don't want to go off the road. This is beautiful, but I can barely see the road here. Well, so far it looks like we're going to make it out of here, guys. So hopefully this was a fun video. It was fun renting something different, just trying it out. Like I said, I just winged this video, guys. I didn't have a good camera set up or any of that. So hopefully it was a semi-enjoyable video. But I actually plan to potentially rent some more camper vans, maybe some bigger ones, maybe some like smaller RVs, and go some epic places, guys. So the videos will get better. Just want to look at this lake here. But yeah, hope you had fun, and I will see you guys in the next video. Peace.